Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And you got all these apartments, buildings that's kind of marked with the Beco de Baia. So there's actually a few streets in here: Travessa de Baia, Beco de Baia, Rua de Baia. And then you got the Anglican College. That was our little target area right there. Then you can also see more cemeteries to the left as well. So let me just walk this way. Now we're back at the Travessa de Baia. So I'm going to capture this. It's Beco de Baia. Beco de Baia. So Baia is maybe bay, and we have this, it's kind of flickering right there. But we're going to be walking in this whole little space here. There's all these shops, and we'll try to give you a full context of what this space is all about. And it's also marked by a cemetery. So there's a cemetery to the right, which we'll also capture soon as well. The ocean is over that way too, by the way. Cemetery, you can see it in the distance. So maybe we'll start letting you know that that's there first, which is right there. You can see it up on the hills. So people that have properties here, I believe the prices are lower because of the proximity to the cemetery that are up on the hills right there. So anyways, our target is going to be this little Beco de Baia. So we're just going to go right in here next to this Cafe Korea. Baia 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so that's going to be our focus street. Yeah, there's a little hamburger place even right here. Angus beef, sandwiches, and it says Korea, which is South Korea. I guess it's also a coffee shop as well. Toasted sandwich, egg toast, ice cream. Okay, so we're gonna go down our Beco de Baia, and we'll kind of show you what's all around here. There's quite a few real estate stuff, waterside plaza space, lunch lady cafe, and that's our target sign right there, Beco de Baia. And I think we're gonna just briefly show you a little bit. And there's all these shops everywhere in the space, and I think they go all the way down. So I don't know, maybe the rent is a little bit lower. Must be hello. so this, I think this whole area has a lot of these little shops like that. There's a karaoke over there. Here's a chicken. Here's another court that's apartments. This one is like a music lessons, rock center. Let me just see this rock center real quick. So it looks like they got drums, probably all kinds, singing, probably all this stuff you'd think. Here's another corridor. This one's empty. Now we're going to come out to the backside of what School of Nations, sorry, Anglican College. So there's a popular school for foreign and local students who want English education. There's also a mechanic. So we're going to just go through this whole space in here. It looks like these are pathways that go to the roads up that way. Now you can see the Anglican College, and we're going to try to and you can see a couple of things. You see Beco de Baia and Travessa de Baia. So there's the street names are right there, and then the other street that we started at was Hua. So we just kind of highlight those real quick. Beco de Baia, Travessa de Baia, and Hua de Baia. So let me go this way, kind of capture this feeling as well. That's our Beco de Baia. Then we're gonna come over this way, and I'm just going to highlight what we can see around here. That's the school. It's a Saturday, and it's also Travessa de Baia as well. So Travessa de Baia, they have all the exercise equipment as well. So it looks like this is for the community. Goes all the way down, and that's part of the school. And we're gonna head back down again. And you got all these apartments, buildings that's kind of marked with the Beco de Baia. So there's actually a few streets in here: Travessa de Baia, Beco de Baia, Hua de Baia. And then you got the Anglican College, which I believe is K through 12, maybe? It looks like they had some, I usually don't like to film schools, but there's like, but it's part of the street. Okay. And then it looks like this whole space has more of these where you can go through. And this one, there's a restaurant here. So this side, that other side looks more smaller ones. And then this side, there's more larger restaurants. And then this restaurant is currently closed. Crochet. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way down to the end of the street, and now we're basically just completed Beco de Baia. And now you can see, and I think I can't really give a good context of this until I go around it a little bit and just give the full picture of this space. So right now we're at Hua de Baia, and we're in this area called, it's part of Nordeste Taipa. So that means that, oh, there's a supermarket right there, and a cat. So this is part of Nordeste Taipa. And just to give you some context, right over there it says Nordeste de Taipa Olympic Stadium thing. So you can do go swimming there. I think we're gonna walk along the side here real quick. And this avenue is called Nordeste as well. So let's just go around the periphery now. I'm gonna go back in. And then we got a lot of another mechanic shop. Let me see. And we're gonna keep on walking up. And then it looks like we also got some of the university to the right. I believe that's now City University and Polytech University. There's like several universities that are using the space that are to the right. So this Anglican College is kind of connected to that area. And now we're gonna come up over here. That's the college. And so this goes up to the university, up that direction right there. Some of the buildings of the university as well. And now we're back at the Travessa de Baia. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna go back, and then now we're gonna go all the way to the other side of Beco de Baia, walking along Travessa de Baia. We got part of the Anglican College right there. And we are going to go directly through the middle here. So I'm just going to walk straight all the way down. I'm going to go this way. And what we're going to do next is go all the way straight, and then we're going to go around, and we're going to come back out over that space in a little bit. And again, our focus is the Beco de Baia right there. But we're also doing a little bit of Travessa de Baia as well. So let's navigate this space. And now we're going to go around the other side of the buildings and give the full context to this whole Beco de Baia alley. And I don't know, I might have to label it Beco de Baia, Travessa de Baia, and Rua de Baia, since there's actually several here. Travessa de Baia. Just to give a little context of where we are exactly. So we're along the cemetery. Now you can see the cemetery very clearly right there. Right there is type of central in the background over there. This is the Anglican College right here. That's the Travessa de Baia that we just went down. And now we're gonna walk down this this particular street. I don't know, it's a different street, but we're still in this Baia conglomeration of Baia named streets. Rua is street. Beco is like alley. That one goes down into our Beco. I think the name of this street is Almoranch Melgaias Correia Road Strada. Okay. And these are some of the more active ones, so I think it was down that way and they were very... This one makes my camera flicker though. There's an anti-flicker thing, but I have to turn the camera off to turn that on. Takeaway drinks, lemon tea, macros meals, more sandwiches, click tea. Rice noodle, mandu, dumpling, gyoza, and now we're out at our bus stop. So let me just kind of let me just go through this real quick. And I think we'd give the best understanding of this through being up there, so we're gonna go up there in a moment. So now we're on Rua de Baia. So there's a street sign right there that says Rua de Baia. So this whole street is Rua de Baia. Rua de Baia. So let's go up here, and now we'll give full context to this, to the whole area. Then you'll be able to understand it fully in context. Okay. So we're going to go up to this space up here. And then now you're going to be able to see the cemeteries, all the stuff that's linked around here as well. So let me do this side first. So you can see this whole hillside filled with cemeteries. So all of those are cemeteries all the way up. And then down there you can see the waterway, you can see some bridges, you can see the Science Technological Building on the other side of the water, which is the Macau side. You can see this space here. That was our little target area right there. Then you can also see more cemeteries to the left as well. So let me just walk this way briefly. I'm just gonna go straight ahead. But now you can see the cemeteries very clearly through there, I believe. Through the trees. Okay. So it's kind of like a little bit of an isolated space. So that little Beco de Baia was right in there. Okay. So now we're gonna just go back down. That's our target right there, Beco de Baia. Got parking garage at eye level there, and then you have a rooftop just above it. And we are going to go all the way down to Baia before we end this one. So we kind of have a Travessa de Baia, de Baia, Beco de Baia. And it's all right in that space. So I'm going to come over here. And I don't know what this is. It's kind of like an ecological area. It's a type of grande where the cemetery is at. You can also hike up there, and you can also walk it all the way over to where the airport is at as well. So it has a nice nice space. You see, this is prohibited to occupy that space. It's like somebody occupies it, there's like colas, and or they throw it over the side, beer cans. Okay, Baia. Bye bye Baia. It's kind of photogenic though. And we're gonna just come to an ending in a moment here. I turn that into a 15-minute video. And that's bye bye Baia. Let me go just a little bit further. And that's the universities up there. So we're kind of sandwiched between the universities and the cemeteries. And way in the distance you can actually see some construction on the other side, and that's where they're doing the fourth bridge. It's like way over that way, and then that's going to be our Baia area. So very cool. So let's end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la posibilidad.